Yeah, so like the big one is 2 times the small coffee cup things.
The big one looks like it's twice as much as the small coffee cup. How are you seeing this? Explain a little more. Yeah. So how are you seeing this? It's a nice observation. Really.
So like two of these, it's one of this must equal 2 of these because there's 2 of these and one of the small ones, and that equals 3 of these and one of the big ones. So
Yeah.
we know that the one of like these
Wait,
things
don't
equals
solve the whole thing. But do you
2
guys
of these.
see? I think I got what you're seeing. I didn't see it in this way. I was gonna solve it with equations. So I see 60, and this 60 includes two
Yeah,
big.
I found this out with like equations, and then I'm like, oh wait, why didn't I do it this way? It's much easier.
Uh-huh. Yeah, do you guys see that I can just replace these two cups with this big coffee maker? And then I get 60 again, like in this picture, right? So the coffee maker is same as two big cups. Okay, now let's figure it out. So any cup, any two cups can be replaced with a coffee maker. And then one cup can be replaced with, or what would you rather replace, the cups with a coffee maker or a coffee maker with the cups? So one coffee maker is two cups. What? Yes, Benjamin, what would you replace? The coffee maker with the cups or cups with the coffee maker?
Only replace the coffee maker with the cups because then we don't have to have like 1.5 coffee maker.
Yes, we don't have to have half coffee maker. We can have two full cups. So let's replace, we will have a solution. I'll replace this with, I don't know if I can copy the cups. Can I? No, I can't. It's an image, but I can just draw the cups. So I'll just draw here two more cups instead. These squares are cups, right? So in the picture where I have now this 60, I have how many cups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cups. And 5 cups are 60. Do you guys have the answer for how much is cup?
12.
Mm-hmm.
So the brewer is 24 because the brewer is twice the cup or the coffee maker.
Yep. 24. Because it's 2 12s, right? Perfect. Okay, thumbs up for this shortcut. Everybody understood what we did? Can I see thumbs up on your screen?
Yeah.
Or just unmute, say yes? Carla,
Yes.
Dra.
Yes.
Okay. Can we actually do the equations way somebody did or started doing, so we can, not always you can notice a shortcut. And here there was a shortcut. Sometimes there is no shortcut or it's not very convenient to notice it. So can I choose a kid who would like to help me set equations and we can solve it with equations? Yeah, who wants to go? Matvey, would you like? You have a thumbs up on your screen.
To help do the equation?
Yep. Yeah. Let's solve it. We solved it with a logical trick, right?
Yeah, so
But now let's set up an equation as if we didn't find the logical trick. Okay. Let's talk about how to see this problem with just equations, and I'll switch the color so I can write. So the first condition here, the 60 and 2 coffee makers and 1 cup. How do you make an equation?
so it's gonna be
like 60 equals to what?
60 equals 2 same numbers plus 1 different number.
Okay. Do you want to choose a variable for the 2 same numbers of the big 2 what? 2 times what variable, what letter would you use for the coffee maker?
I guess X.
Okay, 2x. So x is our coffee maker, okay, guys? X here, x here. And what letter would you like to use for the cup?
Y.
Okay. Yeah, these are the classical variables everybody uses for equations, a, b, x, y. Okay, so I have 2x and 1y equals 60. And then what do I have for the second equation? How about we choose another kid? Can I choose or somebody wants to volunteer? I see John. Okay. Go ahead, whoever started talking.
Um, and one x equal and 1x and 3y equals 60 as well.
Okay, x and 3y. And you see, I can drop the multiplication sign, just say 3y, 3 and y after equals 60. Thank you for writing, Nestor. Now, what I do with these? Do you guys know operations with equations so that I can easier solve it?
Plus.
Mm-hmm. Let me put 60 here so it looks like 60. Okay, you gonna add them all?
Mhm.
Okay, then if we add it, let's try adding them. If you add 2 60s on this side, I will have 120, and then I will have how many x's? That's I'm adding. 3 x's, and then I will have also how many y's?
4 y's.
4 y's. It just creates another equations with 2 variables. The goal of my working with equations would be to try to eliminate one variable, to somehow do a subtraction or addition sometimes, so that there is only one variable left in numbers. So if I subtract in this way, if the equations are like this, I also will not get anywhere. So one way to eliminate a variable is take one equation and make same amount of some variable in both. So look at this equation. How many x's do I have?
1.
1. On the other one, I have 2. What if I had two x's as well here? What do I need to do to my second equation to have 2 x's instead of 1?
Multiply by 2.
Let's multiply everything by 2. Okay, so I say times 2 here. I put parentheses here and I say times 2. Now, let's see, I will have 60 times 2 is still 120. Then tell me what do I have on the other side?
2x and 6y.
And 6y. Okay. Now you have same amount of x's, right? If somebody can circle, I have 2x here and I have 2x here.
You have to subtract 2x from 6y.
I cannot subtract 2x from 6y. I won't get an answer. They're different things. But I can, as a whole, the second equation is a big one, right? I can
Yes.
write the first equation right under 60 and then 2x and then another y on this side. And now, same as you added the equations before, I can do subtraction here. I can go row by row because the amounts are same on both sides. And I can subtract 120 minus 16, see what's left. How much is that?
60.
Okay, then I can subtract 2x minus 2x and see what's left.
0.
Nothing, and that makes me happy because no x's anymore. Thank you, Matvey. You're writing it on the other side. And then 6y minus y and see what's left.
5.
5y. So we get
5y.
this. We get 60 equals 5y, or if you divide 60 by 5, you'll get 12.
12.
And that's what we got for the cup, right? So y, which was the cup, if you remember, that was 12. Now you have all the 12s. And how do you figure out the x?
You can, so you have the 12 right here, and using that 12,
we have 2 of these, with the remainder being 48, you can divide that by 2 to get the amount of coffee cups.
Right, right. So you basically, what you did, if we go back, we went back to the picture, right? We like pictures more, but this picture, the first equation is here. Let me use another color because it's becoming happier here with colors. So this green equation on the blackboard, we just figured out the y, so we can substitute its value. We figured it's 12. Now I have 2x and 12 making 60. So you subtract 12 from 60, you get 48. And if we go formally, 48 equals 2x. And then we divide by 2, and you get 24 as we had before. And yeah, Matvey, you can finish.